Welcome to the Ponderous Brick Thinker. This is another installment in Learning from the Pros series. We're using LEGO Set 76950 Triceratops Pickup Truck Ambush. This comes from the Jurassic World Dominion LEGO line. This set comes with 4 minifigs, 2 vehicles, and a Triceratops. Looking at the back of the box, the artwork wants to emphasize that the truck has some pop-up hood action, and the Triceratops likes carrots. Okay. This is only 210 pieces, but the box is rather large, and I think it's to hold the pieces for the Triceratops. There we go. Okay. So, let's see. I'm curious as to how many, just 3 bags. Well, technically, I don't see too much going on in bag 1, so it might be just 1 episode. Okay, so minifigs. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. All right. Do they have a difference in the torso? Huh. For some reason, Claire's jacket is more crumpled. But other than that, they're the same. There's Claire's. And there's Franklin's. Okay. Use this side. That one. And the very important carrot here. Okay. Oh, we have another extra carrot piece there. There we go. Everyone's happy. There's the hair. Right. Ooh, Triceratops. Okay. See. Guess the coloration emphasizes if they're front or back legs. Because apparently the front legs have the lighter color and the back legs are all gray. Some easy fit. It has the teeth to hold a pose. Okay. actually looks nice from this angle. Alright, we have a dinosaur. Rather easy build. Let's see, 2, 4, 6 pieces. Okay, now for the road buggy. There were pieces like this when I was younger, so it's not too much different. However, there was this other kind of vehicle base that was, all this was almost one piece, or the top part, and the wheels were attached already to this part. It was fewer pieces, so it's interesting that they separated them. I wonder what other situations you might use these, other than, for vehicles. I'll probably explore some architectural possibilities in the future. This piece was not available. I think this is for sitting down and lightly holding the minifig in place, which is helpful. And green, brightly yellow, a brightly green piece there. I don't see it on the arch in the box, so it's probably going to be hidden, but it's also useful to keep in oriented so you don't switch it around accidentally. Very useful. Oh. Okay. Very simple. They're using the suggestion that the headlights or the rear lights are right there. Interesting detail there. Not necessary to have a circular plate, but it does give it some texture. And here we go. And then this one. Okay, so the change of direction was just to hold these details in place. Should suggest that's the front. Now, is it like this? Yep. Overhangs. That looks actually nice. It's all fitted together. And by that I mean that this is almost like suggesting it's one piece. See how it looks with the wheels though. Because with this, it's kind of pushing upward from the design. Rather simple windshield, but again, I guess these dirt buggies don't require a lot. And then the wheels. Oh, what did I miss? I saw those dark green ones. Where did they go? Here. Oh, at the same time as those. Okay. Okay. A few extra pieces. Most likely the ones that are would get lost. Unfortunately, we don't have another carrot, just the top of it. Yeah, these, especially the handles, would probably be the first ones to go since they're not supported. They're held down by the windshield, but then when this goes, then so does the rest of the handles. There we go. Fresh wheels. I guess we're gonna post them later. Let's see here. There. That's a huge Triceratops. Okay. Then to back two. Thought I saw a head roll this way, but it might have been something else. Okay. Just one expression. Yep, beanie's in there. There, nice business. And then here. Okay. Okay, and now it's the base of the truck. It does seem like it's... I kind of like that instead of having a single base, it does allow for modifications if you so like to. Especially if you really like vehicles, then you can take this and apply it to other cases. And you're not stuck with one big piece that can only be used as a vehicle. I'm looking at this long one. Could be used for architectural stuff. Oh, well, yeah, basically I do like architectural stuff more than vehicles. And the main reason I have this is for the Triceratops. And this is probably the reason why they have this set in the first place. Just let's put a vehicle. But I am interested. It's different from what I grew up with, the type of vehicles that come in sets. So I'm kind of seeing how they put them together now. And getting a Triceratops at the same time. Okay, I kind of lost my place. Okay, those two. Yep, okay. Let's assemble this one. Okay. That piece. Okay. Oh, like that? Okay. Completely different from that. I wonder how they're going to secure it. Especially since the wheels are on this side. This could be the back or front. I'm not sure yet. Okay. Oh, it's just this one. Okay, this might be the engine block. Yeah, because it's closer to the front, it seems. Okay, and so they put these smooth plates so there's nothing grabbing onto whatever's supposed to pop up. But I'm still curious as to, it's a bit more secure now that they added these smooth plates, but that's all that's holding it in place. Okay, then we go to the back. Okay. It's curious that this one tries to emphasize a wheel well. These are going in the opposite direction. I wonder how they're going to fit into the overall look of it. And to these. Okay, and then red. And then this piece again. Okay. We'll see why that there. This. We'll see. Because like here you have these pieces for the minifig to sit down. This one we don't, other than the yellow. Kinda wondering, oh, change of direction. One more detail. Okay, that's kind of nice. I see the to suggest there's a curve, not necessarily the door, but just in the frame of the overall look of the truck. That's just not going to be a block. This one helps make it look like it has some shape to it. Okay, so we're coming up the green. Well, we have a green piece. I guess that's so you don't have all gray, unless that's what you want. Okay, this one's the, yeah, still I wonder how it's gonna, this can help hold it together. Let's see what they do. Oh, okay. That's, yeah, consider that strange. So they had this nice smooth plate and they're just gonna cover it up. Why not just put a regular plate there? Oh, and then we put this in. Oh no, I didn't do it right. Let's see. Goes like that. Then there's space for the red here. Okay. Let's put this in place. Okay, now this might help secure it to the rest of the structure. Yep. Okay, so we have this touching there and then up here. So it's about 2 plates width or distance in between, and it's pretty sturdy. So you can really pull on it, then this part starts to go. Okay, and then here, headlights maybe? There, okay. Just basically what you need. Curious that they have the smooth here. Not that they need it, not that the design needs it, but it's just holding it in place. Okay, so let's see what happens there. Because there's nothing to attach any pieces there. In the back. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay, I need to put you here. But that's... I guess you don't really see this void. Unless I missed something. Did I? Nope, there is a void. I guess the wheel covers it up, but then it's like, I wonder what's holding this down. Because it's reaching across, you know, for the width of the wheel. Easily snap off. Oh, okay, makes room for this one. Are these reverse slopes? I don't remember I did not have too many wheeled vehicle sets when growing up, but I don't remember such a construction for a wheel well, which is kind of convincing that this is all for that, like a truck would have. Okay, notice that right away. So here's where the pop out action starts. Here, 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 and here, there. Fits nicely. There's this going on, where it's flush and then comes in. Oh, it could be like a button. That's why they have the smooth here, so this can slide. Okay. I don't know why they would put this here. That's not enough to poke out an eye, unless the Triceratops starts right now. We'll see. Oh, and now this holds it all together. Now it's really holding itself together. Okay. And this is still a little weak point right there, but it might be fine. Okay, now they're emphasizing that this is supposed to go back and forth. And it let's put these details here. Okay. And then cover that. Dark green. And then the wheel well here. It's kind of massive. Yeah, when I growing up, I think it was 4 wide, the vehicle, and maybe 8 deep. And that would be the vehicle. This is a lot more massive. Oh yes, I need these here. So no trace of the smooth red or the green plate. Okay, oh, the steering wheel. This I do remember. And then these. Okay. Alright, now it's bag 3. One more tranquilizer. Let's make sure there's nothing there. Okay. One face. Another tranquilizer. Okay. I was not expecting that piece. Let's see here. I thought it would be something more like necessary to hold it all together, but they are plates to hold the wheel well down. Hopefully. Okay. Oh, maybe put these. That way I know where to put the gray. Okay, so then there's this void going on. Still have room for the movement. More smooth. Almost lost the wheel well there. There. Okay. Window. Okay. So you have a big hole right there. Not very secure when you're surrounded by dinosaurs, but they seem to be much bigger than that hole, so I guess you can be okay. Here. Okay. Front detail. This. There we go. I was almost upside down. Okay, that's actually clever. That it does look like a truck light with a bumper there. And then this side. There. Oops. The other way. There. Okay. The middle piece. Middle piece. Grill. Okay. Oh. Okay, so right here. That looks kind of good, actually, for a truck. It does really suggest a truck. I'm still wondering if I got it right, though. Yeah, it's like the top is right there. Okay. Oh, it's kind of a big windshield. Well, big compared to what I'm used to. Was I think it's only 4 wide windshield. No, this is a 6 wide. Oh, this has a scratch. Okay. Probably the Triceratops already got to it. So the same. Oh, pretty good. Let's see. Not like this, because this has to go there. Okay. Oh. First I thought this was the light that is inside. But no, it fits there nicely. Let's grab it onto it. Nothing. Yet it feels, oh, maybe this gray, the outer gray pieces or studs are what's holding it down. It feels pretty secure. Like if you go upside down, it's not going anywhere. Heh, okay. Let's see what, okay, so then this just gets that. Okay. Also, this is meant to be removable, but it's still secure with these two outer studs. This holds it in place. Very nice. Okay. And then rear lights. And I think these are supposed to be like structural support, but I guess it'll be fine. Big flashlight. Oops. Okay, then the wheels. In terms of minifigs or comparison, these are massive. Oh. These go on the exterior. I thought they would be there. I'm kind of concerned that the wheel is right there with that corner. Doesn't catch, but I thought they would have put more clearance. Okay. Yeah, this one's more away from any corner, more distant. Looks good. Fresh wheels. And then another reminder, don't poke your eye out with this. I wonder why they kept it orange. I don't know, to emphasize safety. And then can pose them all there. Let's see. Franklin gets the buggy. It's hard to put. There we go. You have to then lean back, and that's weird. Let's see. They in the art it doesn't show the hands are above. On the box art, the hands are touching the handles. Okay, horizontal hands, and then let's pull those out. There we go, showing we need a little bit more structural help there. That's okay. So I wonder how they did that box art, because right now the hands are not crossing this too wide plate, or the windshield in this case. So they might have like just tipped the character a little bit over. And bring it in. So it's as far in as possible. Because just like that. Because the other hand can't even come close to touching that. If it were a bit higher, then maybe. Okay. There we go. It kind of looks like the box art. Just tilt it a little bit so you don't see the other hand. Okay. And then no one's inside the truck. Okay. Oh. I wonder why they didn't put like a special seat. Okay. And there's no way two minifigs can sit side by side because the arms will get in the way. And the steering wheel's built in to be in the middle. But this is a bigger vehicle than I would have found in the 90s. That's true, they should have put a place for the tranquilizer guns. A little rack. Otherwise you just have it in the bed of the truck. Very exposed there. That's a huge Triceratops. Yep, it works. Okay. And then all the other dinosaurs that come in the Lego line for Jurassic World Dominion. Okay. So, two vehicles. Questionable posing. Overall okay. Maybe a place for the tranquilizers. That wheel thing though, it's not getting in the way. I would wonder if I would remember this to be able to use it in an architectural setting, like a predetermined weak point in a fortification wall. Just go like that and it comes down. Seems pretty simple enough. Overall, it's pretty good shape. It does remind me of a truck. This here not really necessary. It's just to those added structural bar to suggest the structural bars because Lego wise you don't really need it. It's pretty intact, but just for the look of it. Guess that's all that's there for one person, unless someone's riding in the bed. It just depends on local laws and ordinances. Okay, so the star of this set is the Triceratops. The main reason it's here. A little bit of studs there. So you can put, I guess, just to write it, that's basically you can put there. It could be actual, I'm not even sure what to put. Not a carriage, but just a little platform to go into battle with. Oh yeah, let's see. Just wondering how well the feet connect to Lego studs. Okay. There we go. There's not enough to have a grip, but that's too big. But that's a unique shape that they had to solve in order to fit onto a regular base. And then here you can pose. Interesting. Would have liked a little bit more. I know this has been around since, I'm not even sure when the first Jurassic Park Lego set came out, but a little bit more posing would be, or a little bit more articulation, maybe in the mouth. And they are different expressions. This one is a "I'm coming to get you" expression, and the one they have on the box art, it's more like a singing Triceratops. But yeah. Okay. So this has been the Triceratops Pickup Truck Ambush. An interesting set. Let's see if I can remember the lessons of the pop-away hood for future custom build. Interesting work they have overall. And then we have a Triceratops. Okay, this has been the Ponderous Brick Thinker. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.